Hello everybody, today we're taking a look at a 2007 Sea Hunt 207 Escape LE. This is a freshwater boat only, equipped with a Yamaha 150 horsepower outboard. There is no rips or tears in any of the upholstery. It is in fantastic shape. Slipped here at Quarterdeck Marina in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Very minimal hours. Turnkey and ready for a new home. Showings are available upon request. You can give us a call at 920-746-8200 to schedule your viewing today. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.